Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to overlay a video on CapCut. To do that, open your CapCut application on your desktop computer and then click import to import video that you want to overlay. So you can see now the two videos that you want to overlay on CapCut. So drag the first one at the bottom. Then after you drag it, the other one must be dragged also to overlay the video. So drag the second one, then move the second video at the bottom. You can see here that the first video is not visible. So to overlay it, you need to scroll down. On the modes option, choose linear burn. Then the opacity must be 75%. And that's it. That's how to overlay a video on CapCut. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.